Hello everyone, and welcome to this very quick tutorial on how to use the Activities tab and how to access the different activities. If you are on the main page of our course, if you look at the top left, then you will see a tab where we have the course, settings, participants, grades, activities, and more. Now we're looking at activities now. You can access all the different activities for the different sections by clicking on that tab. And then at this moment, and for demonstrative purposes, you can see all the activities that are available on the course right now. And each of the activities that you can see now has a cascade menu. So for example, if you want to access the different forums available, you can see that by clicking on the cascade arrow. On the arrow, you get a cascade menu. And then you have, for example, the announcements for course overview. That's a forum. We have a course support forum where you can add and ask all your questions or comments. Then we have the course introduction forum for week 1, and we have the discussion forum for week 2 with when we talk about the first type of contract. At the same time, if you look at the others, then we have quizzes. We can see that right now you can have access to week 1 classroom management, the first quiz. We have also resources, and in this case, there is a little book with an introduction to the different types of contracts. And we also have a sticky notes activity, our favorites, which you can also access directly through here. So remember that if you want to access all the activities, you can do it directly through here. And to go back, you can either go to the course, click on the course tab, which will take you to the main page. You have access to the different weeks if they are open. And then that you, as I mentioned in the other tutorial, just a reminder that this tab on the left gives you an index of the whole course. So you can always go back and forth or go to the section that you prefer by going through there directly. If you have any questions, remember there's a support forum, so you can add them there. Bye for now and enjoy the course.